Mastering, would you like, in English conversation. Hello, learners. Welcome to another exciting video in our conversational English series. Today, we're going to talk about a very useful phrase, would you like? This phrase is key when making offers or inviting someone to do something. It's polite and versatile, which makes it great for all sorts of English conversations. The phrase, would you like, is a polite way to offer something or ask if someone wants something. It's a friendly alternative to direct questions like, do you want this? In English, we often use this phrase in both formal and informal situations. For example, you might ask a friend, would you like some coffee? Instead of simply saying, do you want coffee? The great thing about, would you like, is that it's very easy to use. You just need to add what you're offering after the phrase. Here are some examples. Would you like a piece of cake? Would you like to go to the cinema? Would you like more time to finish your work? It's important to note that when you're inviting someone to do something, you should use the base form of the verb after, would you like? For example, in the sentence, would you like to go to the cinema? Go is the base form of the verb. When someone asks you a question with, would you like, there are several ways you can respond. If you want to accept the offer, you can simply say, yes, please, or, that would be great. If you want to decline the offer politely, you can say, no, thank you, or, I'm good, thank you. Here's a quick recap with examples. Would you like a piece of cake? Yes, please. Would you like to go to the cinema? That would be great. Would you like more time to finish your work? No, thank you. That's it for today's video on using, would you like? Remember, it's a great phrase to add to your English conversations. It makes your offers sound polite and considerate. Don't forget to practice using it in your conversations, and before you know it, you'll be using it like a native speaker. Thank you for joining us today, and keep practicing. You're doing great. See you in the next video.